Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of The Power of Small. One of the biggest problems we face being in a small business is how do we maintain our equipment? A lot of times equipment is pretty complicated and it's really hard to read those manuals or look at all those little YouTube videos trying to figure out what they're talking about. Well, what we did is over the last 10 years when we've been developing our plastics molding and extrusion equipment, we designed everything to be very, very simple. You often will read a manual on a plastic extruder where you're going to take a couple of hours to change the screw out, for instance. A screw like this, and by the way, this screw can produce 250,000 pounds of plastic a year. It can take either virgin plastic or it can recycle 250,000 pounds of plastic a year. To put it back in, literally, all I need to do is slide it in. I rotate it until it hits the lock, and I'm done. Then literally, I just put back the little pressure transducer plate, I clamp it on, and I'm ready to go. In 5 or 10 minutes, I can go from, oh my God, there's something stuck, there's something that I want to do maintenance, I need to do something, to where I can just go to the back here, pop out the screw comes forward, and I can do it. This is just an example of how simple it is to maintain our machines.